What is an operating system? Option A, interface between the hardware and application programs. Option B, collection of programs that manage hardware resources. Option C, system service provided to the application programs. Option D, all of the mentioned. Correct answer, option D, all of the mentioned. Explanation: an operating system acts as an intermediary between user applications, application programs, and hardware. It is a program that manages hardware resource. It provides service to application programs. What is the main function of the command interpreter? Option A, to provide the interface between the API and application program. Option B, to handle the files in the operating system. Option C, to get and execute the next user specified command. Option D, none of all mentioned. Correct answer, option C, to get and execute the next user specified command. Explanation: the main function of a command interpreter is to get and execute the next user specified command. Command interpreter checks for valid command and then runs that command, else it will throw an error. In operating system, which of the following is or are CPU scheduling algorithms? Option A, priority. Option B, round robin, option C, shortest job first, option D, all of the mentioned. Correct answer, option D, all of the mentioned. Explanation. In operating system, CPU scheduling algorithms are 1. First come first served scheduling, 2. Shortest job first scheduling, 3. Priority scheduling, 4. Round robin scheduling, 5. Multi-level queue scheduling, 6. Multi-level feedback queue scheduling. All of these scheduling algorithms have their own advantage and disadvantage. To access the service of the operating system, the interface is provided by the dash. Option A, library. Option B, system calls. Option C, assembly instructions. Option D, API. Correct answer, option B, system calls. Explanation. To access the service of the operating system, the interface is provided by the system calls. Generally, these are functions written in C and C++. Open, close, read, write are some of most prominently used system calls. CPU scheduling is the basis of dash. Option A, multiprogramming operating systems. Option B, larger memory sized system. Option C, multiprocessor systems. Option D, None of the mentioned. Correct answer option A, multi-programming operating system. Explanation: none. Which one of the following is not true? Option A, kernel remains in the memory during the entire computer session. Option B, kernel is made of various modules which cannot be loaded in running operating system. Option C, kernel is the first part of the operating system to load into memory during booting. Option D, kernel is the program that constitutes the central core of the operating system. Correct answer option B, kernel is the made of various modules which cannot be loaded in running operating system. Explanation: kernel is the first program that is loaded in memory when OS is loading, as well as it remains in memory till OS is running. Kernel is the core part of the responsible for managing resources, allowing multiple processes to use the resource and provide service to various processes. Kernel modules can be loaded and unloaded in runtime, i.e., in running OS. Which one of the following errors will be handled by the operating system? Option A, lack of paper in printer. Option B, connecting failure in the network. Option C, power failure. Option D, all of the mentioned. Correct answer option D, all of the mentioned. Explanation: all the mentioned errors are handled by OS. The OS is continuously monitoring all of its resources. Also, The OS is constantly detecting and correcting errors. Where is the operating system placed in the memory? Option A, either low or high memory, depending on the location of interrupt vector. Option B, in the low memory. Option C, in the high memory. Option D, none of the mentioned. Correct answer option A, either low or high memory, depending on the location of interrupt vector. Explanation: none.